A for apple. Apple. B for ball. Ball. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. Dog. E for egg. Egg. F for fish. Fish. G for girl. Girl. H for hat. Hat. I for ink. Ink. J for juice. Juice. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L for leaf. Leaf. M for mango. Mango. N for nurse. Nurse. O for octopus. Octopus. P for piano. Piano. Q for queen. Queen. R for rain. Rain. S for sun. Sun. T for tiger. Tiger. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for volcano. Volcano. W for watch. Watch. X for X-ray. X-ray. Y for yarn. Yarn. Z for zebra. Zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. We're done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to search for Kids Easy Learning whenever you want to watch educational videos. Make sure to subscribe to join the KEL family and give this video a huge thumbs up. I post new videos every Thursday, so make sure to come back next Thursday for more.